So it's Christmas Eve, and the baby has a Strider bike for Christmas. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Number plate. Oh yeah. So we got the rocking base. Learn to ride. All right. Get this bad boy together. The 12-inch sport model. So we got the 12-inch sport model. Looks pretty cool. Lightweight, blah, blah, blah. No flat tires. No tool adjustment. Okay. This bad boy open. Everything's all packaged nicely. The forks, the fork and front wheel. Oh yeah. All right. And the bar. Toolkit and other parts. All right. So am I going to be the dad that puts this together without reading directions, or am I going to actually read the directions? We'll see. No clue what this is. Looks like a seat pole. No, that's a seat pole. Hell, I don't know what this is. Oh, this is an extra seat pole for 3 to 5 year olds. Okay. Instructions. Congratulations on purchasing an official Strider bike. Join the cause. See if these instructions didn't know. Okay, looks pretty simple. So I got the bike together for my son. This is going to be an awesome Christmas gift for him. He obviously won't be remember getting this at 3.5 months old, but I will say that he will develop a lifetime of memories on this thing. These Strider bikes, man, they get kids on 2 wheels as soon as possible. Um, Not 3 wheels like a tricycle or 4 wheels with a regular bicycle and training wheels. I mean, he's on 2 wheels with a rocker base. So I'll try to get some video of him getting the gift today. Well, tomorrow. Well, technically, yeah, for Christmas. Like I said, he won't remember any of this. But again, thanks for tuning in to Build Ride Repeat. And please make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. And if you're looking for a way to get your kid on 2 wheels, check out Strider bikes.
Merry Christmas!
Oh, he big enough for that now.
He can't even hold himself up.
He got it right now. Bam.
Vroom, vroom. Look, he almost touching the thing.
He's on it.